Hi, let me explain how to integrate Alli with BambooHR. So you can come to your project setting page, come to integrations, can see Facebook integration, Line, Slack, and BambooHR. So here you can just put your subdomain and API key. How to get your API key in BambooHR? Here you can get your API key under your profile image. So simply put subdomain and API key, click the integrate button. Then that's it. Once the integration is done, you can see all of your employee information. And we pull all the information from Bamboo, including their department, their locations, and emails, and birthdays, etc., and everything. So you can use the targeting and then proactive message and by using all of this information. So this integration is done, then all of your employees and can ask any PTO question, payroll questions, any of your FAQ related informations on Slack. So let's take a look at the Slack. Once you integrate Alli in your Slack, you can simply mention Alli and to start the conversation. So here, let's say the PTO request. Then this name is also from the BambooHR, or you can just put the name in our dashboard. And it's saying about you can request your time off on Slack. And Alli has a really powerful natural language understanding module, and then so employees can type complex form of natural languages. And so like I wanted to ask the PTO for like, can I have my time off like from tomorrow to May 22nd. Then we extract the information, name the entities like tomorrow and to date. Then checking all of this information is correct. Like you can tweak the natural languages and then whatever type you want. If it is correct, you can click yes. Then says about leaving a note, and this is about our family trip to Lake Tahoe. Then is sending all the information to Bamboo, and you can see your PTO request is all done. And once it's done, and your manager will automatically be notified on Slack through Alli. And if you go to your BambooHR page here, inbox, then you can see you just ask your PTO and from tomorrow to May 22nd. And once your manager approves this, and then you will, of course, will get notified on Slack too. Then let me briefly explain the background logic of this. Here, you can see the campaign, the BambooHR, and you can see the chat flow is asking about the name part, the sending a message, and Bamboo integration is done for this employee. Then moving to the named entity, the recognition logic, and then powered by our natural language understanding. Then asking a question for leaving a note, and all of these variables are passing to the BambooHR server. When all the processing is done properly, then we are giving the success message. So I just need to show an example and how to do it on Slack. But if you integrate our JavaScript SDK in your intranet site, then you can see this type of chat box and then to the employee name, and you can see the name is different here. Then all the flow is same. Okay, thank you.